Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to unlock your iPhone or Android phone if you have forgotten the passcode, whether it's a 6-digit passcode, Touch ID or Face ID. Follow this video if you can't access your Android or iPhone. Start by downloading and installing Wondershare Dr.Fone, an all-in-one software solution that helps with unlocking, repairing and recovering mobile data. This software is a comprehensive tool offering great convenience and reliability, making it a must-have for optimizing and protecting your mobile experience. You can find the download link in the video description. After installing the software, launch it and you will notice a variety of features. One of the options, Screen Unlock, allows you to remove phone lock, FRP, Apple ID. Additionally, it supports WhatsApp data transfer, data recovery and even change GPS location for both iOS and Android phones and transferring data between phones. The software also includes tools like a password manager and a data eraser. Click on the Screen Unlock button and you will see two options, Android and iOS. With these, you can unlock both your Android and iPhone devices within minutes. This time, I am going to try it on my Android phone. First, tap on the Android option on the main screen. Once you do that, you will see two features available, Unlock Android Screen and Remove Google FRP Lock. For this process, I am selecting Unlock Android Screen. Next, you will be prompted to choose your device brand from a list that includes Samsung, Huawei, Oppo, Xiaomi, OnePlus and many more. Select the correct brand to continue with the unlocking process tailored to your specific device. Then choose between Remove Screen Lock without data loss and Remove Screen Lock options. Under the Remove Without Data Loss section, you can unlock older Samsung devices such as the Galaxy S6, Note 4 and others without losing your data. In the Remove Without Data Loss section, you can select the brand such as Samsung or LG and choose your device name like Galaxy Note 4, Galaxy Tab 2, Galaxy S6 Edge and more. After selecting your device and model, click the next button. However, in this case, I will choose the Remove Screen Lock Data Loss option. This method is available for all Android devices, including Samsung, Huawei, Oppo, Xiaomi and others. While this method will erase your data, you may be able to recover it from Google Drive. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter recovery mode on your device. First, power off your phone while keeping it connected to your computer via USB. Then press and hold the volume up plus home plus power button simultaneously. When the Samsung logo appears, release all the buttons and wait a few seconds. Your device should now boot into recovery mode. Use the volume buttons to navigate and select Wipe Data Factory Reset. Then press the power button to confirm. On the confirmation screen, use the volume buttons to highlight Yes. Then press the power button to confirm. After that, select Wipe Cache Partition and confirm by pressing Yes. Finally, select the Reboot System Now and press the power button to confirm. Your device will now reboot. Please wait a few minutes while the process completes. Finally, click the next button. In just a few seconds, your device will be successfully unlocked. And that's how you can easily unlock your iPhone or Android phone using Wondershare Dr.Fone. Whether you have forgotten your passcode or need to bypass FRP or screen locks, this all-in-one tool makes the process super simple and effective. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Drop your questions or experience in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.